Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the essential. You can find at the blog fibonaccistalking.com and fibstalker.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @fibstalker nickname. Good evening, today is Thursday, June the 20th, 2013, and it's 15 past 10 p.m. Central Time. In this video is a quick review of the four markets I follow: the EURFX currency futures, the dollar index futures, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar spot, forex spot, and the S&P500. So let's start from the forex. So those who follow me know that I've been looking at entering this market in two halves. The first one in the 30 to 49 area, and the second one in at a lower level here, which is this 32 13 32 17 19 area here, with a stop below 131.60 62, and today we went very close to that level, 131.67, but still the market could actually recover, and I'll show you in a separate video the market also. The market basically failed the sequence of measure move lower on the 15 minutes. So let's look at this quickly here. We had this huge move lower today in the FOMC, during the FOMC meeting after it, and then I identified this level here. I couldn't know this level before the fact. I identified it after the fact, and this anchor 133.45 is the level that clearly program trading has been using to trade the continuation of this move lower here. And as we can see, price got there was demand in the 133.06 area, and price went down into the 132.50 first, and then continued to 132.20 area. After that, the sequence continued, and as price went below the second target, we had to trace another I had to trace another continuation here, and as we can see, the price responded again at this 132.27 level, hitting the next target 131.67. So program trading continued trading this market from the same anchor, and as we can see, around 12 Central Time, we had this the break of the sequence of measure move lower, and this happened in area within an area in which we were anticipating participation higher. So for me, this means a confirmation of the move of the participation and a continuation of the move higher as anticipated. Going to the dollar, the dollar actually has been stopped at this level that I've indicated yesterday. This is an extension short, and I anticipate a continuation lower tomorrow. The level is the 82.20, so as we anticipated. Moving to very quickly to the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. In this market, on the other hand, the setup I gave failed, and as we can see, price went above this 103.11, which was the stop of the overall position, and for this position too, I was proposing an entry in two halves, and I will record a loss of 1% here. There is a good opportunity, however, on this market, because similarly to the euro dollar, this market has continued trading in extensions on the 15 minutes. We can see this extension here to target, and then again this is the 15 minute extension showing an entry in 103.32 level here. It was respect to the pip, and this is the current extension higher. So the market either continues higher and hits the minus 23.7 of this move, or if he moves below this 103.21, we can take a short here with a stop above the highs, and the highs, if we print new highs, those highs are going to be the stop in case we pierce this level on the downside. You'll find these setups in the newsletter. And finally, the S&P500 was this huge move, continuation lower, as we were anticipating. This move that we had in the last 2 weeks basically was not supported by proper trading on the daily and weekly time frame, as I said a few times. Also in the FX room of Dale Pinkert, and as you can see, we had this crowd along this 50-day moving average, which is widely watched by retail and professional, even though what we could see here was actually retail participation and not program trading professional participation. So eventually we knew that this level would have been would fail. And yesterday I gave you another setup that triggered at the beginning of the new trading session today, and hit target. The target was 1577.50, and this market went to 1577. So we booked a 0.5% here, or 0.5 unit of risk here. And now what I anticipate is a move back, maybe a move back into the 1612 here, and if that happens, actually we could get a short in the 1620 at the 1620 level here with a stop above 1649. This is it. I will add another quick video to explain a little bit the concept of Fibonacci stalking, which is basically which can be very nicely demonstrated today on the euro dollar spot, as well as the FX future. So remain tuned, because there is another video which is going to explain what the Fibonacci stalking is. I hope this video is useful. I hope you are making money and taking this setup, or at least studying these setups to see how the market actually responds to these fib zones, and how I use the Fibonacci stalking in order to time entries. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very good evening and a great trading day tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, so be careful. Half sides tomorrow, because we never commit on Fridays. Fridays is a slow day, and everybody is already thinking of the weekend. Thank you very much. Bye bye.